Okay guys, let's take a look at Dina Wakley Media's Collage Collective book. First off, I would like to say a big thank you to Ranger for sending me this amazing book. I really wasn't expecting it and I'm super excited. I can tell you up front, I will actually be purchasing another one of these because I want one to keep and I want one to use. And honestly, I find these a little bit challenging to use because I already know I love it so much because it has Dina's artwork in it. So let's just take a look. It's called Collage Collective. It has 60 double-sided printed pages and that's 30 sheets of paper. It 120 GSM and 270 GSM. That means it has two different weights of paper in here. And look, the cover looks amazing. It's nice and thick book. And the back is blank, so you can make your own art here if you want to. So it really is made for you to use with collaging. And I did see Dina at Creativation say, you know, some people said they wouldn't use it, and she goes, well, then you have to get two, one to keep and one to use. And I totally agree. That's what you have to do. That's the only way to do it. Okay, so let's take a look. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. That's the first page. Oh well. I've heard Dina say, oops, oh well, so many times in her teaching, and love it. So I'm just going to flip through some of these pages. Now, the first thing I noticed is these are the thinner pages. So these are the 120 GSM. So see, nice, light, great for collaging. And of course, it's full of Dina's artwork. Look at this. This is like multiples of her pages here. So I can see you just could rip it out or cut it out as much as I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it because that's what it's intended for. But at the same time, it's like, oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so let me just keep on flipping. Oh, look, a lot of different faces. Circles that you could cut out and place on your page. Oh, I like that a lot, actually. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, look, beautiful. I love Dina's use of color, and I'll just do some flipping now. Now, this is the same page, similar. Is it the same? It is the same as the front, but guess what? It's the thicker paper, so... Oh, I see how this works now. So we have the thin pages here of all of these different beautiful Dina artworks here, thin pages, so great for collaging. And then we have the thick pages in the back. I mean, you could use this for a journal cover. You could use it for a focal point. You could frame it and hang it on your wall. If you wanted it to be less matte, more shiny, you could always put an clear acrylic finish over it. So what I do notice, one of the first things I noticed that I mentioned in the unboxing video is how matte the pages are, which is going to be perfect for mixed media work, right? We can work on a matte surface. If it was a glossy page, it would be extremely difficult to work on, but it's not. It's very matte, very flat, no sheen. If I move that with the camera and the lighting, see there's no sheen. And so these are going to be perfect for working in our journals with them. Oh, look at that one. So I'm just kind of flipping through a little and giving you an idea of what's in here. Again, it has sort of a half and half kind of thing. So it has the same images in the first half and the second half, but it has different kinds of paper. So really, really cool. I could totally see cutting one of these out, adding some, I don't know, acrylic paint, maybe some Stabilo pencil, working on it a little bit, make it my own, and adding it in my journal as sort of a focal point. So I'm just flipping through. I don't want to give away all of the gorgeousness, but oh my gosh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so this is my review-ish. I call it review-ish because I already know that I love it. But I just wanted to share with you this wonderful collage book that Ranger sent me. And you will be seeing this in some upcoming videos because I am going to use this one as intended. And I will probably get a second one just to keep full of Dina's artwork. And so if you want to collage, or I will tell you something else I thought, you could work directly into this book. So if it were a combination, what I think would be great, okay, I'm getting my thoughts together, sorry. What I think would be like the best use of this book would be to do some, rip it out, take it out, and use it in another art journal, right? And also use it as an art journal. So you could use this paper and these pages as your art journal and then just go in and add your journaling and your writing, and it would work perfectly for that. It would be fantastic for that. So I think that would be the best, for me at least, would be the best use of this book, other than just flipping through and just drooling over the artwork that's in here. So if you're looking for some collage sheets that are Dina inspired, this is a great book. I mean, I would really recommend this if you like doing focal points of thicker pages, or you wanted to use this even as a cover, or you just want to work straight into this book. It would be fantastic for that. So that is my little special, one of the special treasures that Ranger sent me that I wanted to share with you and share with you a little bit more. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this little sort of review. Yeah, I'll see you very soon. Bye. Oh, this is just so gorgeous. It's just full of gorgeousness. Gorgeousness. I love this page. You can't share all the pages. You have to buy it. It's fantastic. I love the little bird. And look at this fabulous figure.